Hey music lovers, good to have you here. I'm JJ and I'm a long-term friend of AER because I love their acoustic amps and I love their bass combos. And just in case you are one of these bass freaks like me, I bet you will enjoy what you hear and what you see in the next few minutes. Are you looking for a new bass cabinet? Maybe for your bull fiddle, for your upright bass, or for your fretless bass, or for your electric bass guitar? Or is your existing equipment so heavy you need a good breakfast and one or two good and strong friends to carry everything onto stage? Well, then I have the solution for you. The solution is the AER bottom line. First the question, why AER? Well, it's the pro's tool. It's not a toy. And I want to show you why you should choose AER and why these little gems are the perfect partners for you. All right, so let me tell you something about the character of the Basic Performer2. This amp is the amp for double bass, for acoustic bass guitar, for electric bass guitar, for harp, cello, and many more low-frequency instruments. It has a very quick response and a great definition. The two-channel amp makes it possible to amplify a piezo pickup and a microphone independently. It's powered with 2 × 100 watt and it has 4 8-inch speakers in a special designed bass reflex cabinet. This cabinet supports even the lowest frequencies with tons of headroom. The amp is made in Germany and only the best components were used. Okay, so let's have a look what we can find on the control panel of the Basic Performer2. In channel 1 we have a mute switch, we have a high-low switch which makes it easier to set the gain with passive or active instruments, and we have the gain control. Then we find the equalizer with a color switch, which is a mid-cut high boost filter. We have the bass control, we have the middle control, and we have the treble control. In channel 2 we find a mute switch, a line mic switch, which allows you to either use instrumental signal or a microphone signal in the combi input in channel 2. We find the gain control there and we have a 3-way tone control. Then we find the DI switch, it's a high quality DI switch. We find the 48 volt switch which powers a condenser mic in the combi input in channel 2. We have a 9 volt switch which feeds your preamp in your guitar or in your bass guitar. We have a high quality studio compressor. We have the notch filter. We have an aux level control. We have an effect level control. And we have a solo and an ensemble level. So you can set your solo level on the solo control. And with an optional foot switch, we can activate the solo level and nobody will talk while you play the bass solo. So let's talk about the color switch in channel 1. Let us hear how it sounds without the switch first. And this is how it sounds with the color switch activated. All right, let's check the backside of this powerhouse. And we see a lot of inputs and outputs. We have an aux in. The auxiliary in control is on the control panel here. We have a line out. We have an insert. You can use external effect units. And if you do so, please use a normal Y cable. We have a send, we have a return, we have a connector for your headphones, and if you use your headphones with this amp, then it switches off all the speakers and you can play and rehearse even after midnight without disturbing your neighbors, which is a good thing. We have a solo out. If you really think this power has not enough power on stage, then yeah, you can connect another active bass amp with this sub out. We have a tuner out. You can use a single foot switch to switch the effect loop on and off. Yeah, and then you can use another foot switch to switch between solo and ensemble mode, and because you first can set a level for your solo, and if you activate the solo mode, no one in the audience will talk anymore because they have to listen to your bass solo. Yeah, and you can even use another single, now a double foot switch to switch between channel 1 and 2. We have the direct level control and the direct out, which is a high quality direct out, which makes any sound engineer in the world happy, and we have a ground lift. So guys, that's it with the Basic Performer 2. For more detailed information, please visit our website aer-music.com or aer-music.de. Guys, it was a pleasure. See you. Bye.